Hello, everyone, and welcome to WellWaveNow. We're going to be posting this in the Facebook group. So, Breck, tell us about the Facebook group and tell us what we are up to today.
Yeah, this is a really wonderful group of practitioners that have come together to help patients that may not have been able to get answers through their traditional either pharmacies or from their the healthcare providers. And so we brought a group of professionals together to help in many ways. And so a lot of you will recognize my comments from being the scary drug facts guy. But come this afternoon at 1 p.m., that is Pacific time, 4 p.m. Eastern, for a WellWaveNow discussion about relieving stress. Why live in stress when you can have these professionals help you get out of stress? One of our experts that'll be there today, this afternoon, is my friend Tim Daniels. Tim?
Thanks, Breck. It'll be a pleasure to be there with the group and both in terms of our colleagues and the people we're reaching out to. You know, stress plays is such a big factor in American life and life around the globe, with over 75% of Americans having experienced something in the past month or so, a symptom, whether physical or mental, on stress. So it's a beautiful thing to be able to help people understand the techniques, the tools to be able to manage that stress, get relief from it quickly, and live a more joyful life with what we're able to talk to them about. And part of that, always happy to have Dr. Bob Levine with us, and where he brings his expertise to that as well.
Yeah, hi. It's really a pleasure for me to be with all of you experts on the call today for that group, the Healthcare Disruptor Group. I really have enjoyed hosting in there and getting some feedback from people. It's a great group, and we're going to be covering a lot of great information today about stress. So if you can make it, we want to see you there. Thanks.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us, and we look forward to talking to you soon. For all of us, I'm Mike Hayes, and we welcome your attendance at our event. Thank you.